You've got listings. You've got a sleek real estate website. Maybe you're based in Sydney, Brisbane, or the Gold Coast. But when someone types in homes for sale near me or real estate agent in Adelaide, you're stuck on page 3, or worse, nowhere to be found. And you're thinking, why is this happening? I have better properties, better photos, better service. Here's the truth. In today's market, just having a good-looking real estate site isn't enough. Google doesn't care how fancy your homepage is. It cares about how well your SEO is done. And if your SEO's off, your real estate business is basically invisible to the hundreds of local buyers and sellers searching every day. Let me give you a real example. Someone in Melbourne searches for townhouses for sale near Docklands. First home buyer agent Melbourne. If your site isn't ranking for these kinds of terms, you're losing leads to agents with average sites, but smarter SEO. That's where a real estate SEO agency in Australia changes the game. Not just any agency, but one that knows how buyers think, what Google's algorithm rewards, and how location-based keywords, fast-loading pages, and schema markup can boost your visibility without blowing your budget. At IndeedSEO, we specialize in real estate SEO that works with clients across Australia. We focus on ranking your listings, getting your agency on Google Maps, and making sure local searchers find you, not your competitors. If your website's been live for months and still isn't bringing qualified leads, let us take a no-pressure look. Head to IndeedSEO.com or drop your city plus keyword goals in the comments. We'll reply with real suggestions, no sales script. And if you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with someone in real estate who's ready to rank. See you in the next one.